GoPro, start recording. Good morning. Had a fairly substantial injury late in the snowboarding season, and then, as we all know, COVID-19 put my snowboarding thing to a pretty abrupt halt. So, out here on the Shenandoah today, trying to get this skunk off my back. I've been out twice to total about 6 hours and have yet to catch a fish. Now today is a little bit weird because it was supposed to be overcast and kind of nasty all day, and I kind of had this figured as best opportunity to start the season out with a pig. But as you can see behind me, there's a little bit of blue sky and the sun's about to poke out. So today this is what we're gonna work with. Chug and spook. I've got it dressed, custom dressed hook. That's, I think, what I'm going to try to stick to if I see much going on top water. I've got my ultralight rigged up with a 16th ounce spinner bait, and I've got a couple of colors in that. We've got this black and blue jig dressed with a Berkeley chigger craw, and of course Ned rig Z-Man TRD finesse copper truce on a weedless finesse jig head, 1/10 of an ounce. So I'm gonna start off top water because I have seen a couple of fish rise. Not nearly as many as I did the other day. The other day they were absolutely driving me crazy. Going big at first. So let's see how this goes. Water temp is 53 and a half, so it's a couple degrees better than it was when I was out here a few days ago. Gotta say that I am quite perplexed about the Ned rig not working. I figured Ned would be my first fish. Playing around with different retrieves, just nothing is happening. Shocked, amazed, and slightly appalled. GoPro, stop recording. There's a pair of bald eagles over here. This one, look at that, juvenile bald. All right, so right off of this point, there's a bunch of fish. It's same thing as the other day. They're just absolutely teasing me. I don't know what to do at this point. I've pretty much thrown the frickin' tackle box at him again. Some brain fuel, see what's up. shit should be gold right now. There we go. Oh man, finally. Not a bad fish either. There we go. There we go. There we go, man. Hey. Oh, yeah. First fish of 2020. Barely had him hooked. Thank goodness. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Cold as can be. 14 on the button. There we go. Yeah, baby. Thank you. Yes. Skunk is out of the boat. Yes. Oh, please tell me that camera's running. Yes. Z-Man Finesse TRD Craws watermelon red on a 1/10 ounce weedless finesse head. There we go. Skunk is out of the boat, baby. All right. That is it. You know, most people would say one fish, no good. But the water's 53 degrees in the mid-Atlantic. I can't complain. I really can't. That was a really decent slump buster. At any rate, skunk is out of the way. Let's get out of here and go home.